Hello there, I'm Ibrahim Adohidov, the founder and the CTO at CoMed. I do computer science at New Uzbekistan University. I'm currently AI research intern at Dugri.
Hello everyone, my name is Marjana. I am data analyst and project manager at CoMed. I'm also analytics intern at Uzinfocom.
Our platform bridges the gap between the doctors and the patients, especially in rural areas, by providing the tools that enhance diagnostics and foster community support.
Meet Ibrahim, a student who spends hours traveling and days waiting for brain MRI results due to a shortage of expert radiologists. He also lacks a community for support and information, a common issue in rural areas.
CoMed solves these problems with an AI-powered mobile app for accurate brain MRI results and a community platform for support. Ibrahim can now get quick, reliable diagnostics and connect directly with healthcare professionals. In some rural areas, like Kumkurgan, there are only 3 doctors for 60,000 residents. CoMed targets 1 million rural residents needing imaging services.
CoMed, our project is affordable with a maximum cost of $220 USD and offers 24/7 patient-centric care. While competitors focus on in-hospital care, CoMed excels in extending continuous care and support beyond the hospital. CoMed generates revenue through software licensing at $220 monthly and subscription fees for premium features. We project strong growth starting at $1.3 million in year 1 and reaching over $22 billion by year 5.
CoMed is gaining traction with 1.4K views, 70.2K impressions, and 323 interested users. Our AI trained on 220 brain MRI records while we have 3 million data overall. And our potential deployment in 1.4K hospitals position us for significant impact. CoMed simplifies the process for radiologists to quickly add observations through a quick form on their mobile device. Uploading brain MRI scans is just as easy. It uses advanced AI to enhance diagnostic accuracy. With our platform, radiologists can manage patients' observations from anywhere. It generates clear, professional reports instantly, speeding up the decision-making process. Beyond diagnostics, CoMed offers a secure platform for doctors and the patients, connecting patients with similar experiences, offering them a supportive community that complements their medical care.
Meet our supervisor, Mohammed Ahmed Aypan. He is our professor at university. He is proficient at image processing, ANNs, optimization, machine learning. He has been doing research on the medical field for over 10 years. And our strong team. Ibrahim authored 5+ research papers and 1 from medical imaging. And I'm also analytics intern at Uzinfocom, single integrator in Uzbekistan. I'm skilled in advanced mathematics, machine learning, and deep learning frameworks. Thank you for your attention.